I do not know about that. The new mount is something disgusting. It's something like $60 or some shit. It is rough. Actually, no. The new mount in for Diablo is a $70 mount. Actually, the new mount is more expensive than the Ultimate Edition of the game. You can literally go on Steam right now and buy Ultimate Diablo 4, and you will pay less than what you will pay for the mount and 7,000 coins. If anyone out there was thinking, oh, you know, now that Bobby is gone, now that Activision has been replaced, Blizzard is back, baby. None of this bullshit greed. No, 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 fam. It's quite clear that Bobby Kotick wasn't the person behind the greed. This literally seeps and has infected that entire company. Blizzard's greed runs all the way from the suits right down to the fucking interns, bro. When they get developers to work at Blizzard, they probably ask them, how do you feel about microtransactions? And they go, micro what? We only care about macrotransactions in this bitch. And they're like, hire, let's go. Because it has been disgusting, and it continues to be disgusting. I don't think we should be expecting a better Blizzard when it comes to greed. This company is clearly hell-bent on monetizing the shit out of whatever game they can get their hands on.